like this movie?
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and the things are going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Hola pasajeros, durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
How you doing?
Hey,
Sure you can cook here, our friend.
bear with me. What is possible?
Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch.
Wait.
This is all my fault.
Oh no. Giddy up, Humpty.
Now, let's conga!
Hope you had a relaxing time. Thanks for laying around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Oh, ow! Yes, I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. Hope you don't have any other plans. Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
I knew somehow that we would finally make it.
We've had one crazy ride, but with you by my side, the stars will be our guide and lead to us
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.